guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is Sunday. I thought I would do another little Sunday vlog. Sundays are my favorite day of the week by far, and I just like vlogging on these days. I don't know why. I don't really have much planned for the day. It's gonna be a super chill day, but you guys know like my Sunday routine. I like to clean my apartment and do my laundry, and I also just like to like prep and get ready, plan out my week. And I just feel like if you have a good Sunday, then you're setting yourself up for a good week. So that's what we're gonna do today. I'm gonna start off this vlog with a little haul. I got some new pieces from Missguided, and thank you so much to Missguided for sponsoring today's video. You guys know I love shopping on Missguided. They always have so many new cute trendy pieces, and they're all super affordable. They also just came out with so many new coats and jackets for the fall and winter, and now it's like actually getting really cold out already, so I picked out a few new jackets as well as some other really cute pieces for fall and winter. So I'm gonna try everything on for you guys. I'll have everything that I show you linked down below, and if you guys want to shop anything for yourselves, you can use my code Maddie20 to save an extra 20% off your order. First item that I have to show you is the sweatshirt I'm wearing right now. It is just this like seafoam green Missguided logo sweatshirt. I think I have this sweatshirt now in 3 colors. It's literally the best. You guys know I like live in loungewear, sweats. That's all I wear basically. So I just can't have too many of these sweatshirts because they're literally the best. They're so comfy and soft, and they come in a ton of different colors. So I was really feeling this like light seafoam green. I think it's super cute, and it's just the comfiest thing ever. So I absolutely love these sweatshirts. Can never have too many. Next up, I got this flannel. Flannels like came back in style so abruptly this fall, and I used to have so many back in like high school when they were cool back then, and then I guess I got rid of all of them because I don't have any anymore, and so I needed to get a new one. So I really like the navy blue and green colors, and also the sides have like a little slit on each side, which I thought was a cute detail. And I forget what size I got in this, but whatever size it is, I'll list it down below. And it's like the perfect oversized comfy fit just to pair with like jeans and boots, and you're ready for fall. Okay, so like I said, I got a couple jackets from Missguided, and this first one is such a statement. It is this like maxi length brown faux leather jacket. I'm obsessed. It's literally such nice quality. Like, it's actually really heavy and warm, and I just feel like this is so easy to throw over a really simple outfit. Like, I just have a black long sleeve underneath with jeans, but you throw this on top and you look like so cool and trendy. It's very like city street style. I absolutely love this. I'll back up so you can see the full thing. It's super long, very warm, and I just love it. The other coat that I picked out is this like midi length teddy coat. I feel like teddy coats are just a staple because they really go with everything, and they're super warm, but they also look cute. So I decided to pick this one out because I don't have any like longer teddy coats. So this one just kind of goes to the knee, and it's this really nice like tan color, super fuzzy, so warm. I'm like kind of sweating right now in my apartment, but it's like in the 40s outside, which is crazy. It's really cold out, so I could like already wear this. Next up, I got another little crew neck sweatshirt, and I really love this one. It's just in this like kind of beige, almost light pink color, but it has this like stitching detail along the front and on the sleeves. This is so soft on the inside. I wish you guys could feel it. I just think it's really cute, like with the stitching. It's very simple, but this could be a good like layering piece underneath a jacket, or just like comfy to wear with leggings or sweatpants or whatever to class or to work from home or whatever. Next, I got this little cardigan. It's like a super chunky oversized fit, and it's just this like beige color. It's a really heavy, nice quality material, and I really like the little buttons. They're like super cute, kind of wooden big buttons, and I just love this outfit right now. Like, just the comfy cardigan with jeans, and you could throw on like little white sneakers, and it's just a really cute casual fall outfit. It would also look really cute unbuttoned with like a little like white or beige crop top underneath. Last but certainly not least, I got another pair of joggers from Missguided. Seriously, you guys, these are the best joggers. I have them in 3 colors now. They are so affordable and they're so nice. They like fit amazing, super high-waisted, drawstring waist, so they're nice and adjustable, and they are just so soft. Like, I live in these, and I love this like light purple lilac color. I just can never have too many of these sweatpants. They're seriously the best. Okay guys, and that's everything that I have to show you from Missguided. Thank you to them again for sponsoring today's video. Make sure if you end up ordering anything from them to use my code Maddie20 to save some extra money. I was wearing something else before, but I think I'm gonna stay in this outfit because I just like don't want to take these sweatpants off. So next on the agenda today, I'm going to clean my apartment. Like I said, Sundays are my deep cleaning day. I feel like having it on a schedule is just the best. Like, I know every Sunday I vacuum and Swiffer the floors. I clean my bathroom, like the toilet and the shower, the sink, counter. I do laundry and clean my sheets, and I don't know, I just feel like having it on a schedule is the best. My apartment's actually not too bad right now because I had a couple friends over last night for like a little girls' night, so it was already like clean before then, but I just have a ton of dishes to do in the sink. You could probably see them, but I have to do those and do laundry and all the usual stuff. So gonna do a little cleaning montage. I love watching these. I don't know why. It's like relaxing watching other people clean. Like, it's the weirdest thing, but let me know if you relate. Let's get going. First, actually, I'm gonna set the vibes. Play jazz music.
The station, Ultimate Jazz, on Amazon Music.
Time to take Lennon out. We're gonna go on a long walk because it's supposed to rain later, so I want her to like have some time outside, not in the rain. This is so random, but I ordered this little bag on Amazon. It's like a puppy training bag, so it's nice because there's like a lot of things that I have to bring on our walks, like her poopy bags and her treats and stuff for when she does something good. So I just have it all in here. Like in this compartment I have her treats, and then I have like a ball in there, and then her bags, and so it's super easy to just like grab this on my way out, and I can also put like my keys and my phone and stuff in here. So this is my little walk bag. So we're gonna go out. I think we're gonna go to the park so she can run around. Come on. Come on. I just ordered some last minute things for my Halloween costumes. Obviously, I'm not doing anything for Halloween really, but I have 3 costumes that I'm going to be dressing up as, and I'm gonna take pictures for Instagram. I just love Halloween and I love dressing up. Last year I didn't dress up at all, and so this year I just like really wanted to, even though there's nothing going on and I'm not going out or anything, but I just wanted to take pictures for Instagram and for the memories. I also like came up with a few creative, in my opinion, costume ideas that I didn't want to like wait on until next year, so I just wanted to take pictures in them. So I just ordered everything. I just have one more thing that I need to get, but I want to thrift it, so I'm gonna do that sometime this week. Hopefully I can find what I'm looking for. But yeah, you guys will have to follow me on Instagram to see the costumes when I post them. But I'm also going to film a video of me like getting ready for each costume and like putting it all together. So even though we can't really do anything for Halloween this year, hopefully my costumes will be inspiration for Halloween next year for you guys. So that's what I've been doing. I just ordered a ton of stuff from Amazon. Now I am going to plan out my week. I have my planner here, going to write out everything that I have going on this week, and it's kind of a busy week. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. I'm watching the new season of Unsolved Mysteries. I have been on such a true crime kick lately. Like, that's all I watch. The only podcast I listen to is Crime Junkie, and all I watch is like documentaries. But I had a true crime phase last year. I watched like so many documentaries, and I watched a lot of Criminal Minds, which isn't true crime, but like crime show genre. And then when I moved into this apartment and started living by myself, I had to stop watching all of it because I would like get freaked out because I live alone and I like wouldn't be able to sleep at night. And then I don't know why, I just kind of like started watching Criminal Minds again, and then like that got me back into like watching true crime, and now I'm like fine. I feel very safe in my apartment. But yeah, so I'm watching Unsolved Mysteries now, and it's getting to be dinner time almost, and I'm really hungry, so I'm going to start making dinner soon. Having a super lazy Sunday night dinner, but these Bonza pizzas, you guys, are so good. It's chickpea like crust, so it's gluten-free, 16 grams of protein, but it doesn't taste weird at all. Like, I wouldn't even be able to tell that it's gluten-free if I didn't already know. So I'm trying the margarita one tonight. I've already tried the 4 cheese one, and that one was amazing. So we'll see how the margarita compares. I think I would rate the 4 cheese pizza just slightly above the margarita, but both are like a 10 out of 10. So good. I want to start incorporating a like nightly stretch into my daily routine because I feel like a grandma, but I have been having such bad like back pain every day, and I go to a chiropractor like pretty regularly, but the past few weeks it's just been worse for some reason. I don't know, it might be from like bending over a lot to pick up the dog, or just from stress or something. I don't really know, but I think stretching every day will really help with it, hopefully. So I'm gonna do my little stretches now. I just got out of the shower, so I'm gonna do my nighttime skincare routine. I'm going to film updated morning and night routine soon. I'm planning on that, and I'll show you guys like what skincare I've been using in both of those, but I'll give you guys a little sneak peek now. So first, since it's a Sunday and it's self-care Sunday, I'm gonna do a little exfoliating toner. This is the Youth to the People Kombucha AHA toner. I just put some of this on a cotton round and work it into my skin. This just like exfoliates, and I only do this like once or twice a week, but I feel like my skin needs it today. Because it's getting into the colder months, my skin gets really dry, but I'm trying to get ahead of it this season and keep it from ever getting too dry. So I've been using these two products from Peter Thomas Roth. This moisturizer has become my new favorite. It's the Water Drench Hyaluronic Cloud Cream Hydrating Moisturizer. I love the consistency of it. It's like a gel, but it's super hydrating, but it doesn't feel heavy at all. I use it morning and night, and it's really nice under makeup too. So I'm gonna use that. But first, just to give my skin some extra hydration, especially since I just exfoliated, I'm gonna use the Peter Thomas Roth Water Drench Hyaluronic Cloud Serum. So same idea, but in a serum, and I just take a pump of this and work it all over. It feels so nice. Then just taking a good amount of the moisturizer and putting that everywhere. And that is my skincare for this evening. I wanted to show you guys, I got new bedding, just a new duvet cover and sham set. It's from Urban Outfitters. I just wanted to switch it up from the all white. I feel like switching your bedding every once in a while is a good way to just like refresh your room and make it feel new. So I just got this set. It's like a linen material. I had a linen duvet cover before. It was white from Target, and that one was like a lot heavier than this one. This one definitely feels like thinner and more sheer, but I don't really mind because my comforter underneath is white, so it's not like you can see through to anything, you know? So I like it. I feel like it's still neutral, but it's a little like more color, and it doesn't get as dirty as the white did. I'm gonna go ahead and end this vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I know I haven't been uploading as much as I would like to, but I've just been so busy and overwhelmed with this dog. It's like a 24/7 thing, and I like haven't even had time to like edit videos. So I'm still getting into a routine with the dog now, but I know it'll get easier as time goes on. But yeah, that's kind of why I haven't been uploading as much. But yeah, make sure to subscribe to my channel though, so you don't miss out on any future videos. And I love you guys so much, and I'll see you very soon in another new video. Bye.